We are here at the pumpkin patch.
There's so many things to do here. Can you get it? Try real hard. Happy Sunday. I'm going to lose my hat. If you could just hold on. There we go.
I got you.
We just had a beautiful morning at church. You're trying to like push the stroller and hold my hair, and the wind is blowing my hair into my lip gloss. This is going well. This is a great start to the vlog. Anyway, we had a great time at church this morning. Now we are meeting some of our friends.
As Chelsea mentioned, as she's holding her hat, and Judah had to help me push the stroller, we are here at the pumpkin patch meeting friends who we just found out are by the pig races. Pig races. So I'm excited. We need to get in there and get to these pig races.
Here is the map. There's so many things to do here. We've never been to this farm. This is a brand new experience for us. So this is exciting because they have a lot of stuff to do. So headed to the pig races.
Let's spot some pigs.
I think we found the pig races.
Here they come. Are you ready for the piggies?
I'm ready. It's pig time.
It's piggy time.
He's saying, hi Judah, do you want to be my friend? Oh, he's saying, do you have any food? Do you have any food? No, you don't have any food. Bye chickens. Now we're gonna go see some duckies. Some baby ducks.
It is duck feeding time, little duckies.
You wanna hold one?
I sure do.
You wanna hold one, Asher? Come here, duckies. What's a duck say? Quack, quack. Do you want to hold it, Judah? You got it? You got it. Look at all these scarecrows.
Are not real?
No, they're not real.
Let's go say hi to the green shirt.
Nice. Pumpkin time!
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, a little help from Daddy. That's all you need in life is a little help from Daddy.
Wow.
Wow!
Hey, can you help me with this?
Look at the stem on that one. That's a huge stem. Can you get it? Try real hard. So we found a random wheelbarrow that I think somebody just left behind.
That is too cute.
Now we're going for rides. Here we go.
Next up on the agenda, we're gonna ride that bad boy. It looks fun. Yeah? It's like good old-fashioned hay ride, although I don't know if there's hay on it, but there's hay all over the place. So it's kind of like a hay ride. All right, here we go. Jude's so eager to get on. There was like no tractors, and now there's 3 tractors. We're gonna get our own private tractor. Here we go, dude.
Hi, Judah.
We're on. We made it. Hi, buddy. Right up by the tractor. Who knew there was like farms in LA?
And we're moving. Here we go. Hi, guys. Our group. Hold on, Judah. Don't fall out of that thing. Oh, sit down, okay? Hi, guys. The mama and me makes me nervous, that big gap.
You can't go anywhere.
What do you think they're growing right there? Carrots? That's a good guess. Asher is loving this tractor. He is obsessed with trucks and tractors and stuff. Okay, Judah. smacked in the face. Alright, we're gonna pitch a pumpkin. Throw it real far. Oh, nice try. Oh, nice try. Throw it real far, real far. Yeah. Oh, say thank you.
Okay, go.
Oh, oh my gosh, he tried to throw the candy.
No.
Sorry, thank you. Lucas is gonna try now.
All right,
Let's
is
do
there
it.
a specific hole that we need to get in, or just any hole? Any hole. All right, here we go.
Any hole. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, two. Nice. Your pumpkin. Judah, what pumpkin do you want?
We could get any pumpkin.
Let's do, that one looks good. This one? Yeah, let's do that one.
Is that one?
Oh, no, just one, bud.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I play basketball.
All right, let's see it.
All right.
Danny, don't let Lucas show you up. You better win a pumpkin. No pressure.
All right, Danny, come on, dude.
Here we go.
See, I didn't
You
know
do it.
that. I was quiet.
Sorry. Everyone watch what's happening.
Oh gosh. Pressure. So much pressure. Oh no.
All right.
Okay, two more tries.
You got it.
You got it. Oh, that is in. That is in. Emma, you get a pumpkin. Are you so excited? Say thank you, Daddy. You did it. I'm proud of you, Danny.
I proved the baseball guy. Basketball
That's
doesn't count.
I think it's like a minus something, don't you
I mean,
think?
I think it was like half
Half,
of one and two.
My own wife.
So, you know.
My own wife. gave me
That was not it.
I'd say you won.
It's not about competing, but if it was, I won.
Just like that.
Oh boy, Chelsea's participating.
All right, not bad. Number 2, I'm ready for ya. Ha! That could have killed me, guys. Like my reflexes kicked in.
All right, here goes Chelsea.
This is one of the most important ones. You mess this up, everyone's gonna know. Oh, she's gonna laugh at you. No cool about it. All right, here we go. Don't hit anybody.
You're so impressive.
Oh, thank you.
That was a great bowling pin throw.
Really? I
Yeah.
thought I threw it too far. He caught it.
I mean, he's a professional. He knows how to
I was
do
like
it.
into it. I was like,
That was good.
Struck it.
Nice rotation. It was excellent.
Guys, check this out. It's gone! Whoa! What? I'm the greatest magician in the world, everybody!
Where'd the ball go?
It's in. Hey, guys, it's in your hand.
I know you don't believe me, but just have some faith.
Yeah.
No things on me, promise you're not gonna faint, okay?
Oh, it's fun.
You
Good
love
job. Yes, I love it. Asher, what's it saying? Asher, where do you want to put the butt?
Oh, that's a goat.
Why does he always go for the butt? He keeps petting the butt. Oh my gosh, he's pooping. Watch out. Oh, gross. But he is soft. Wow, so soft. Watch out for the poop. She's got it. She's got it. You run away? Judah, did you get scared? Oh, you're so soft.
Man, you're pretty. Jeez.
It's a nice way to start this segment of the vlog.
I didn't know you were
filming. I was just looking at the picture. I'm sorry.
Battery died while we were there. I mean, there's just so much to do and so much to see that battery died. And normally I bring extra cameras or batteries, and I brought nothing. So that's what phones are for. I don't even know if I'm looking at the right camera. Sorry. I don't know. There's so many like little dots right here. I don't know where I'm supposed to look at.
I'll tell you, just pick one, and I'll tell you if you
Okay.
look like you're.
Is it that one?
That one looks pretty good.
Yeah,
Look at the
that one?
look at the other one. There's literally no difference.
What about this bottom one?
Oh, that's way off, bro.
Oh, okay. I think that's what I was
I'm just
looking at.
kidding.
Oh.
No, they all look the exact same.
Oh, so we just left. So much fun. We've never been to that farm before. We've always heard about it, but we've never been. But that farm was legit.
We were there for 4 hours and did
And we
half
probably
of it.
could have done so much more. I liked it a lot. But now we feel dirty. We washed our hands before we left, and we've sanitized and wiped up and everything. But you still kind of feel dirty. So I'm excited to go home and take a shower and bathe the kids. Are they asleep?
They were literally awake when we got in this drive-thru. Now they're asleep.
Judah was so hungry, so we're at McDonald's right now.
I knew that was gonna
In the
happen.
drive-thru, getting him food. Hey, Judah, do you want to eat your Happy Meal? Yeah? Ooh.
We got the kids' food, and now we have to fuel Chelsea. I'll give you one guess where we went.
What? It's my second one today. What? Don't judge me. We're tired today. Hey guys, it's the next day. We were tired last night and just went straight to bed. So I just wanted to end the vlog with a Bible verse real quick. This is Ecclesiastes 3:1-2. For everything there is a season, a time for every activity under heaven, a time to be born and a time to die, a time to plant and a time to harvest. Thanks for joining us, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!